Ticket number 12, Mr. Ramadhya Singh and Mr. Surendra Pandey.
Yes.
My lord, the sole appellant before my lords.
Yes.
The conviction is, my lord, section 20, subclause B, subclause 2C of the NDPS Act.
Yes.
And my lord, 10 years for RI. And my lord, the appellant is in custody since 27/8/2017, my lord. He has completed his half of the sentence, my lord.
Yes. Okay, but that, strictly speaking, that is not applicable.
My lord.
After conviction, it is not applicable. During trial, yes, half of the sentence and the consideration of bail is there.
My lords.
Just which section of CRPC? 437A? 436A. Whenever a person during the period of investigation, inquiry or trial under the court.
My lords.
Under any law not that undergone period of detention extending up to half of the maximum punishment. So this is for under trial prisoners.
My lords.
Anyway, what is next round?
My lord, the seizure list witnesses has not been examined.
No.
PW2, my lords.
What was the case of prosecution against you?
My lord, they got a confidential information that 4 persons are coming from Nepal and on one tum-tum, my lord, and on query about the border area, my lord. From the possession of this appellant, my lord, 4 kg charas was recovered. And from the possession of other 3 persons, my lord, some quantity of saraj has also been...
Sheikh, this application is in respect of which accused?
My lord, it is for Sheikh Wazid, my lord.
Sheikh Wazid.
Wazid.
What was the earlier order?
My lord,
Considering the recovery of...
earlier, my lord, there was no prayer for bail, my lord.
No, what was the earlier order and where you have annexed that order along with your bail application? By which order your earlier application was rejected?
At the time of admission, my lord, the bail petition of the appellant was rejected. White order dated 24/9/2019, my lord.
So, when this order is on merits of the matter, how it can be reopened? Merit can be reopened. Now. Where is your interim application?
My lord, IA number 1/2021.
Yes. Now, how we can reopen this issue, which was closed by order dated 24/9/2019?
My lords, I am inviting my lord's attention on deposition of PW2, my lord.
Deposition of PW2.
2, my lord.
Yes. 4 लड़के काठमांडू से चरस के साथ बस द्वारा.
Page 5 of the deposition, my lord, para 20.
Page 5.
My lord, I am referring, my lord, from the deposition, my lord, which is not part of...
Yes. Which portion?
सैंपल सबसे पहले इम्तियाज फिर सुजय दास शेख वाजिद का निकाला गया। सैंपल निकालते समय रूबेन कुजूर अधीक्षक, राजीव संजीव कुमार अधीक्षक, मैं रेहान आलम इंस्पेक्टर, नीतीश कुमार कन्हैया जी, संतोष कुमार लकड़ा, अमित कुमार सिन्हा, अंजनी कुमार सिन्हा और 4 हवलदार राम वदन यादव, सुरेश दास, विनोद कुमार सिंह और अनिल शर्मा थे। इसके अलावा 2 स्वतंत्र गवाह अरुण कुमार और रमेश पटेल थे। जो सैंपल निकाला गया था वो सेक्शन 43 एनडीपीएस एक्ट और पुनः कहते हैं कि याद नहीं है किस एक्ट के तहत निकाला गया। एनडीपीएस की किताब पूरा नहीं पढ़े हैं। सैंपल निकालने से पूर्व आदेश न्यायिक दंडाधिकारी से लेना पड़ता है। यह मैं एनडीपीएस की किताब में नहीं देखा है।
Yes, so
My lord, the permission has, my lord,
Which section requires permission?
my lord,
Inventory, yes. Sample के लिए कहाँ से permission लगती है? Yes. Which section?
my lords. May I read it, my lord, as a whole, the position, my lord, thereafter, my lord.
No. Just tell us, this is your first point.
My lords.
Permission of the judicial magistrate was not sought prior to taking out these samples. So which is the section which mandates the investigating officer to take out samples only under permission of the judicial magistrate?
My lord, my submission, my lord, one, it may come after, my lord, a week, my lord. I will better assist, my lord, I think.
This is submission of law.
My lords.
We need not go to the facts. Point out from which section of the NDPS you can say that without permission of this magistrate, sample cannot be taken. If this is a question of fact, we would have allowed you to read the further part of the position. This is submission of law.
Notes.
Section 50, 51, 52, 53.
My lord, section 42 says, my lord, the power of entry, search, seizure and arrest without warrant or authority.
Yes, that is close place.
My lords.
This is raid on the road. For entry, yes, permission of the superior officer.
My lord.
So, come up after vacation.
My lord.
The learned counsel for the appellant submits that the samples were taken without order, without seeking prior order from the judicial magistrate. First of all, the learned counsel for the appellant to point out legal provision which requires permission of the judicial magistrate prior to taking out the samples of the contraband post after vacation.
Your Lordship, I may be permitted to file the hard copies of my
Okay. The learned
affidavit.
APP.
No, I am
Oh, sorry.
a senior standing counsel on behalf of the customs, Your Lordship.
Custom. This is not police matter.
No, it's a customs special case matter.
The learned counsel, senior standing counsel for the custom department has filed written objection on behalf of the prosecuting agency. So that the same be taken on record.
C number 13, Mr. Meghender Kumar and Mr. Ravikant Kumar.
Lordship, kindly pass forward for few cases.